Hey, today we're going to talk about concentration and how we can measure concentration of a solution. Before we do that, I want you to get out your reference tables, and specifically you're going to be opening up to table T. I got mine right here, and we're going to be looking in the middle section. So the concentration, there's two ways of measuring concentration. We could talk about molarity, which is moles of a solute per liter of solution. We could talk about parts per million, which is for a much smaller concentration. So we're talking about really small amounts. Molarity is something that is higher concentration. But all you have to do is molarity, which is, the symbol is a capital M. It is moles per liter. And we have ppm is parts per million equals mass of solute over mass of solution times 1 million. That's a million. Okay? Now, the most important thing that I want to say is if they give you concentration for molarity, if they give you something with milliliters, I want you to switch it to liters. Make sure that this always has to be in liters. This is in grams, this is in grams. So if they give you something with moles per liter, you automatically know it's molarity. If they give you something with ppm, then you know that it is parts per million. Or if they give you something with grams, it's definitely parts per million. If it's grams per liter, you have to convert your grams to moles. Let's look at an example. All right, how many moles of sodium hydroxide are in 2 liters of a 1.5 molar sodium hydroxide aqueous solution? So what we have here is I have the molarity and I have the liters. I'm looking for grams. So I'm going to have to convert it to moles first and then to grams. So I'm going to write 1.5 molar equals, the number of moles is X over 2. Now I'm going to cross multiply and divide. 2 times 1.5 is 3. So X equals 3 moles. Now from that, I need to do a mole calculation. Sorry, I need to calculate the gram formula mass, and I determined that sodium, oxygen, and hydrogen. Sodium is 23. Oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1. This is 40. So now what I'm going to do, this is 40 grams per mole. All right, what I'm going to do is take my number of moles equals my given mass over my gram formula mass. So my number of moles is 3 moles equals my given mass is X, because that's what I'm looking for in the original problem, over 40. So cross multiply and divide. X equals 120 grams of sodium hydroxide. This was quick, short, to the point. Look at the practice problem. It's pretty self-explanatory.